Hey guys, it's Jessie here with another video for you. Today we're going to do some unboxing because I got some new shoes from one of my favorite brands, which is Melissa. Look at this. Here is the bag, and I went to the store yesterday in the shopping center. I'm actually here in Brazil, and when I'm here I usually like to buy some Melissa shoes because it's one of my favorite brands. So yesterday I went to one of the shopping centers here, and I found a new collection, a new pair of shoes from the new collections. It's actually sports shoes, and I would love to show them to you. But I also got one online because sometimes when I'm back at home, I don't have like a Melissa shop there, so I usually shop online. And I had ordered this once here. This is from the old collection by Vivienne Westwood, but I love them so much that I needed to have them. And this is the, oh my god, look at this. I love flat shoes. Okay, I love heels, but I also love flat shoes. And this one I needed to have in my collection. Look at this. It's the Anglomania collection. It looks like a honeycomb inside. Look at that. You have a little bee here on top. And like every single Melissa shoes, they smell like candy, like chewing gum, and like you feel like eating those shoes. And they are extremely comfortable. These are amazing to go out, especially if you want to go out dancing. I just love these shoes. They are lovely to walk on. It feels like walking barefoot. They are extremely soft inside because Melissa has this amazing material. It's sort of a silicone material that is extremely strong and also comfortable. They look beautiful on your feet, and you know, I just needed to have this one in my collection. I have so many back at home, but you can never have too many Melissas. And the other one that I wanted to show you is actually from the new collection. And here, oh, here it is. These are sports shoes because Melissa now they have this collection of sports shoes, sportwear that I mean, you can wear them anywhere, and these are really special. Oh my god, the guy at the store was so sweet that he asked me if I liked the Melissa smell because it's this kind of a chewing gum smell, and I said yes, I love it, and that's what makes it so special. So he had this extra spray and he decided to spray it on the box, so they smell even lovely. Oh, you feel like eating those shoes. But are you ready for the review? These are my new, oh gosh, look at this. Chun 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 chun. Oh my goodness, look at this. Tennis shoes. They emulate the bubble wrap. Look at that. And they are full of glitter. This is beautiful. They had different colors, but when I saw this see-through with the glitter effect, look at that. It even matches my nail. Look at that. Oh my god. This pink color with the see-through and the glitter, it was just too much. I just needed to have them, and when I put them on my feet, I couldn't take them off. I said, you know what, you're coming with me because these are too cute not to buy them. So yeah, these are my new dancing shoes because these are amazing for dancing. They are so extremely comfortable. They are kind of padded inside, and they are so soft. I mean, you can't go wrong with these types of shoes because yes, they are so beautiful and they are so comfortable. Look at that. I love this effect. So these are my 2 new shoes from the Melissa collection that I wanted to share with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. And remember to click the bell, because otherwise you won't be notified when I post new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye!